In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a contact list in Mindbody. Whether you're preparing for a marketing campaign or simply organizing your records, having an up-to-date contact list is essential. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you have everything you need. First, head over to your internet browser and navigate to business.mindbodyonline.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your staff or admin credentials. This step is crucial because you must have the appropriate permissions to export data from the system. If you're unsure whether you have these credentials, it might be a good idea to check with your system administrator. Once you're logged in and settled on the Mindbody dashboard, head over to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll want to select Clients and then Client List. In older versions of Mindbody, you might see this option listed as View All Clients. At this point, you should be able to see a comprehensive list of all clients currently in your Mindbody system. Now, if you're aiming to export all contacts, you can skip to the next step. However, if you're interested in specific clients like active members, newcomers, or particular subscribers, it's worthwhile to apply filters first. For this, click on Filters or Advanced Search, which you'll find at the top of your client list page. Here, you'll have a variety of filtering options at your fingertips. You might choose to filter by status, whether they are an active member, inactive, or just a prospect, membership type, or even visit date range. It's also important to consider selecting email opt-in status to ensure that your actions are GDPR compliant when managing email communications. Once you've selected the filters that suit your needs, go ahead and click Apply Filters to tailor your export to your current requirements. With your list finely tuned, it's time to export. Look for the Export or Download CSV button positioned at the top right corner of the page. You might be presented with options about the scope of the export. If so, select Export All Results to capture the entire list or tailored results list you're viewing. When prompted for the file format, choose the CSV format. This file type is versatile, working seamlessly with programs like Excel, Google Sheets, and most email marketing platforms. After you've saved this CSV file to your computer, congratulate yourself, you're almost done. Finally, let's open the downloaded CSV in either Excel or Google Sheets. Here, you'll want to review the document for accuracy and completeness. Pay particular attention to columns like client name, email address, phone number, membership type, and join date. It's a good practice to clean up any duplicate entries or blank rows. And as a tip, before importing this data into another platform, such as MailChimp or Constant Contact, keep only the most essential columns to maintain focus and relevance. And there you have it, a complete guide to exporting your contact list from Mindbody.